washout at the woods. Try and make a couple trails for the pit bike. You already know it's inevitable that one of them are gonna tip over.
Honestly, these things are pretty great, but we should have spent the extra money for the hydraulic thumb. So you can actually grab stuff. My only complaint is one, the cab is super loud. It sounds like there's a Briggs & Stratton generator running underneath it. Got a surprise for Ryan. What the hell?
We got battle bots going on.
Bro, I hit my head on all 4 corners of this thing.